I'm inside the Bongo. Hello, that light shouldn't be on. I'll switch it off. There we go. Yeah, hi YouTube, I'm inside the Bongo. I'm going to do some work on it. I've got to replace a water hose, temperature sensor and a few other jobs. And this is me sitting in the back where the campervan conversion is. And one of the things I need to get off is all the engine covers, because I'm going to do, or have a look at the rocker cover to see where the oil is leaking from. But one of the stupid things that's done in this campervan conversion is not to do with this top bit, but here you can see there's a hatch that you remove to get at the back of the engine here, and in their wisdom the plate and the flooring is over these bolts which hold this bottom lip, and it's a real nightmare to undo them. So that's one of my jobs today, is to undo this and take this off, and so I can look at the back of the engine, and it's hidden under the carpet, you see, like that. And while I'm doing all these jobs and things, when I put it all back together, which could be in a week's time, I don't know how long it's going to take me, I shall look at doing something with the insulation material, and to improve it for the sound deadening, because it's all sort of disintegrating. But right, okay, let me see if I can do those bolts. 3 bolts under here, and you have to prise the floor back to get at the bolts, and that one there is behind the handbrake cable, which is a bit of a sod to get off. I think you have to use a spanner, I remember. Let's remove this clip as well. Yeah, I've just undone that clip there, which is wrong. So I need a 10mm spanner to see if I can get that bolt out without disconnecting this. And then I've got to get at these other bolts under the floor. Now, to get at this bolt, this cable is a handbrake cable. It's so stiff. I'm hoping that because I've removed these bolts here, this plate comes off. I've never done this before. Right, that can come off. Put that up there out the way. There's enough room for me to pull this cable to one side, so I can get that bolt out. Or I'm going to have to undo this thing in the floor so I can pull this cable. Look, it's right in front there. There's just not enough room. Right, I'm going to have to undo these, I think. More undo. Right, that's worked. I've got this. So I just got to somehow get at these bolts under here. That is not good. Comes like that. There's one. There's the other, and the other one is. There it is. Right, let's see if I can get that one out. How stupid is that? Well, that's that hatch open there, and I'm thinking of taking this lot out completely. See if this will come out. Be good if it would. And so I'll have all this area I can work in. Yeah, let's see if I can do that. So if you wonder where the engine is on a Mazda Bongo, this is where it is. And this is a pipe I replaced not so long ago, and it's got cracks in it on the hose. I'm going to change the rocker box cover because it's leaking oil there. Seal, I should say. And there's a bit of an oil leak round the filler cap, which I should sort out. And this gives you an indication what it looks like from the passenger side. Okay, let's shut the door. This is the rear hatch where the bolts are under here, which is really awkward to get to. This is the sound deadening stuff, which I'm going to replace. And that's a diesel heater. I'll just go around to the driver's side. And this is the driver's side. And there's an oil mark all the way along the rocker box. And there's a bit of oil around this thing. Looks like that bolt's been replaced. And a bit of oil down there. It looks like there's a rubber hose on that. But there's quite a bit of oil down this side. That's got a bit of oil on the top. And this has got oil. So I'll need to do a bit of cleaning. But I should do the rocker cover gasket and get that sorted. It's quite oily down there. But yeah, we'll get that rocker cover gasket done. I've just checked the oil on the gearbox. And I shall just generally go over everything. I don't know what that pump is down there. Yeah, bit of a clean up. This is the extra wire fitted on to an indicator which tells me that the glow plugs are working, and it goes to an little lamp. These must be the injectors. I know not a lot about diesels. But yeah, so I think that's it for this video. The second part will be getting the rocker box off and a bit of a clean up, I think. This is the rocker cover gasket. So hopefully it will stop all the leaks on the top of the engine. Yeah, it's definitely rubbery. Waiting for other parts to arrive.